Hi guys, it's Mrs. Sauce. I'm here to show you how to complete your assignment for September 3rd for garden class. So of course everything you need to do is going to be in your Google Classroom. You are going to start on the stream but jump on over to our classwork tab. When you're on our classwork tab, we're on week 3. Everything is dated. You're going to go to today's date, which is 9/03. Today we learned about seed dispersal. So on this assignment, you will have a video clip to watch. It's about 12 minutes about seed dispersal. You have an article to read about seed dispersal, and then you have your summary frames. So all you need to do first is to click on the link for the video, and this will tell you about some different methods of seed dispersal. After you watch the video, you click on the article, and then this will be something you can read about seed dispersal. So you're going to hear it, and then you're going to read it. After you're done reading about seed dispersal, you can come back and click on the Google Doc that will have your name on it. This is your template. You can type on it, and it will automatically save. So to write on here, you would highlight the blanks. I found blank interesting for several reasons. I found seed dispersal interesting, and I want you to notice that I have spell check on here, okay? So if I mess something up, you can just click that to fix it. I found seed dispersal interesting for several reasons. I discovered that blank. So what did you discover after listening and then reading about seed dispersal? I also learned that blank and that blank. So right now, these are summary frames. They're sentence stems, and once you delete all the lines and you delete the spaces between, then you'll end up with a full paragraph, a full summary of what you've learned, okay? Once you have finished your summary frame, you can just exit out because it will save automatically. And then you go right here to view assignment, and then you turn it in. I will add a recording of myself reading the article as well, so in case you want to hear me reading it, that's an option. Let me know if you have any questions, or if you're having any trouble with your technology, just let me know, okay?